right, where is this technically?
Rockville Town Center.
Rockville Town Center. We've got a U.S. elevator.
It's been modded.
It's been modded.
That's crappy.
Chime doesn't even really work.
Well, look at this. The indicator's original.
Yeah, except we're on LL right now.
That's backwards. We have Elise with us today. And Jason. I took longer to level and did travel. Outdoor placement works. We all like that. No door open, but oh, look at this. Oh, you stick your finger in there to activate the door open.
That's a very
Oh, it's like a diesel DC elevator mod right there. What do you think about this one, Elise?
It has seen better days for sure.
I just love how the indicator is backwards. Like, that's a totally U.S. elevator thing to do. Now let's watch it go up. There's that button. I love how they have fire service for an outdoor elevator. Like, why do you even need that?
Wheel's not spinning. Single in-ground jack.
This thing's junk. All right, that's it.